Hey guys, how you doing? It's Terry Floyd once again, and I'm coming to you with a Conversion Pros video. Um, all these are on sale at Conversion Pros, and this is one of the things that makes the Conversion Pros one of the better, more I guess you say, more well-rounded marketing systems out here. Not only do you have the $50 price point and a ton of features, you can buy your traffic from your back office. And then basically, traffic is the lifeblood of your business. And it's not solo ads, it's not any kind of pay per click nonsense where you're posting banners to get leads and people click on your banner and so forth and so on. These are, you can get, these are people who have logged into a website, stated they want a home business, their name, their phone number, their IP address, and other information is collected and then put into a database and they're sold daily. So you're getting fresh leads that are probably about less than 72 hours old. And you call these people. And this is where the real skill comes in. Because if you can close somebody on the phone, you can run other paid traffic in the background, such as solo ads and other types of traffic. You can run that in the background. But you know that out of 50 leads, 30 people are going to probably actually answer the phone. And out of those 30 people, if you get 3 people to sign up, that's $75. And as you can see on the screen right here, 50 leads are only $39.60. So you almost doubled your ad spend with just 3 signups. And I'm not talking about 3 people to take the free trial. You'll probably get all 30 people you talk to take the free trial. But out of those 30 people, you'll probably get between 2 and 5 people that actually come through and pay for the Conversion Pros upgrade. Which is still, if you get 5, that's $125 right there. I would gladly trade 40 for $125 every time. You know, and this is just spitballing. For all you know, all 30 people will say this is a great offer and will sign up. But also, this is not only just for the Conversion Pros. This is for any business you want to choose to promote using the Conversion Pros. You can use these leads for any business. These are people who are just looking for a home business. I use the Conversion Pros as an example because the pay plan is so simple. $25, $25, $25, $25, $25, $25, $25. Over, and over again. You don't have to worry about any trees filling legs or anything like that. This is simple, $25, and you get $25 for every month that they pay. Nice, simple, cut and clean. And when you come back here into the back office, you go, as you see over here, it says order leads at 10% off. Come over, you pick what you want. You want leads to go for just the Conversion Pros. You click this. It'll send them right to your sales manager, which is up here in your marketing suite. And they'll get automated emails from the Conversion Pros until they take a free trial or they sign up all together. And then if you want to do anything else, such as, you know, Easy One Up, My Econ, any other programs you're thinking of right now, you know, Carrot Bars, you know, anything else, you click this, personal campaign, you pick what kind of leads you want, generic, male and female, female only business leads, male only business leads or opportunity leads, and you have live interview leads. Now, the live interview leads are people who have been thoroughly questioned. You're going to know how much they have to spend. You're going to know where they live, how much they have to spend, when they want to get started, when they can pay. They ask them a ton of questions. That's why these leads are so expensive at $3.40 a piece. and they come in smaller blocks. You know, and you're more likely to close more of these than you are of the other ones. But as you see, 25 leads are $76.50. It's a lot of money. That's a lot of money. But you know, if your phone game, I would start with the regular generic leads, and let your phone game get better. Once you get used to talking to these people, and just keep it simple. Our biggest mistake is that we try to sell people as soon as we start talking to them. Find out what they're looking for, and send them to your videos. Send them to your sales page. Let your sales page do what it's supposed to do. Your sales page is supposed to sell, not you. And collect the time from them when you can call them back after they've watched the video on your sales page and see if they're still interested. And try to make it at least the next day. Give them to the next day. Can you watch it tonight? And I can call you back at around 5 o'clock tomorrow and we'll talk about it. Let me know yay or nay. And I'm like, okay, sure. You know, no pressure. Just watch a video, make a decision, we'll talk. And keep it simple. Your phone call should not last any more than 3 to 5 minutes. If you're on there 10, 15 minutes, you're on there way too long, you've probably already blown the sale. At least if they don't have any further questions, tell them to take the free trial. Like, okay, let's say like we're doing Conversion Pros. Tell them to take the free trial, and I'll walk you through the free trial. Get them in it. Once they turn it off and they start to miss it, they're going to pay that $50. Especially if they're already in an online business. They're going to pay that $50. Or during the trail, they'll mess around and make a sale. And they want to collect that money. The only way they're going to collect that money is to upgrade before it expires. The Conversion Pros is not going to pay you for making sales on a free trial. So you get somebody in there, you make a sale, you have to upgrade so you can collect your money that next Friday. So you can think of it like that also. You can have all these leads that you come in from your generic, go straight to a mailing campaign. So you pick one of your email lists and have the leads dropped in there, and you'll start receiving your emails as your schedule is done. And you can pay through the credit wallet. I mean, the earnings you've made by selling the Conversion Pro system, or you can pay by credit card. And you see, they also give you a 10% buff. You get an extra 10%. So if you order 50 leads, you're going to get 55. You do 100, you're going to get 110. Plain and simple, you come down here, you purchase leads, and watch them slowly trickle into your mailing list. You know, you're not going to get 50 leads just dumped on you. You'll probably get 5 an hour until it's completed. I think the last time I did, I got 30 one day and I got 20 the next day. So, and basically that's it for the Conversion Pros leads. I like it because if you're struggling with money, $40 for 50 leads that you could probably end up closing, because these are not cold leads. They're I call them slightly warm leads, because they're actually looking. You know, you're not just sending out emails to a list and you might get a real email, you might get a real phone number. These are, real people looking for opportunities. So you come here to do the generic business, male or female, or the male or the females, and talk to these people. Have them watch your sales video and say, can I call you back tomorrow and we'll talk about it? You just give me a yes or no, I'll never bother you again. And just leave it at that. Plain and simple. Now, if you want another way, we have MLMleads.com. These are they're not solo ads. These are ads that are placed on websites. People click them, they enter their information, and you're basically in a rotator. You get however 40, 115, 280, whatever amount there is here. These are more targeted leads, but you're still bound to get the tire kickers. you know, but they convert high. You see over here on the side, see one guy said that he got a 57% conversion rate, which is almost unheard of in traffic. That is, as they say, hella high. But you come over here, you get 40 clicks for 47 bucks. It's a little pricey, yes, but it's a low lot. It's a low price, under $50. You're getting, these are really good quality leads. And it's the same thing, except for when you go on to the next page, you pick the quantity you want, you go on to the next page, and you actually tell them what business you want to promote. And they'll place an ad for that. They'll put you in a rotator for an ad for that business. And you will rotate, get your 50 or your 40 clicks, and then sayonara. You know, you get your 40 clicks. You'll get a decent opt-in rate as long as your capture page is good looking, and you go on about your business. If you're asking for a phone number, you get on the phone and do the same thing. Call them up, send them to your sales page. Let them see it again. Say, well, did you watch the videos that were on the sales page that you opted into? They'll be like, no. Well, you know, can you watch them in the next 20 minutes and I'll call you back in an hour? You know, that's why I tell everybody, try to send people these shorter videos. Don't send them these hour and 40-minute webinars trying to sell them when they're on the fence. You know, get them in a couple of times, and maybe in your email series you send them that video that's an hour and 40 minutes long. So if they're opening and reading your emails, they see this new video, they'll be like, well, check out this webinar. Okay. Or you build a webinar page in the Conversion Pros, throw it in the email, and send it to them. Okay. Well, those are my two high quality, low price traffic methods for advertising your online business. That's just another reason why the Conversion Pros is starting to show itself as being a top tier marketing system around here. You know, like I said, I like it because of the simplicity. It's easy to use, it's noob friendly, and the price point is right. The price point is right. I'm Terry Floyd. If you like the value you got in this video, give me a subscribe. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a comment down below. If you didn't like the video, leave me a comment down below and throw a thumbs down if you want. But hey man, we try to keep it positive around here. Try to keep it positive around here, man. Just give me some thumbs up. All right, subscribe, and I'll talk to you around here later. I'm Terry Floyd, and have a good night.